Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
In Android. First you need to create a new Android Studio project. Here I choose a vector drawable from Vector Assist and save into drawable folder. Now I create activity layout and add edit text used to get for speech, and other one is image button. Now go to Activity class and create variable for edit text and image view and get their ID. Now add a button, click listener, and get text from edit text. Now create text-to-speech variable. Initialize this variable and also set locale. Here you get the voice after calling this method. Now I run the project in external device.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned, and please like and subscribe to the video and never miss any updates.